Um, Thank you for watching. You know, trying to think.
Hi guys, this is the Anything Cook.
And today she will be cooking.
Let's have some fun.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Anything Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make Gujarati sweet and sour dal. This dal you'll find at weddings, at all functions, parties, and is loved by many. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section below. And let's get started. Okay, so here I've got some oil dal that you should soak overnight in some water and then drain it in the morning because this will help it cook faster. We have some ginger garlic paste with some green chili paste, some chili powder or paprika powder, Dhana Jeera powder, the juice of one small lemon or half a big lemon, some turmeric powder, and some Jaggery. So for the vinegar, we'll need some Hing powder. This is Asafoetida, some mustard seeds, Jeera seeds, one dried red chilli, and a sprig of curry leaves. So to prepare the dal, we have to boil it, and we'll boil it with half an onion and one tomato, and then you'll just boil it in the pressure cooker or in your pot until it's soft enough and liquidy. So just a quick tip, you can actually boil a big amount of dal with the onion and tomato, and then you can divide it into Ziploc bags or containers and keep it in the freezer. And then when you are in a rush to cook and don't have enough time, you can just pop one out of the freezer and defrost it. It defrosts very quickly, and just add it to the pot, and then just add your masalas, and then you're ready. So there's no need to wait for it to boil and soften. You can just keep it in the freezer. Okay, so I have my dal here on the boil. We can add our masalas now. Okay, so we have 1 spoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of Dhana Jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of green chili paste. You can add how much you want according to taste. And then I'm going to be adding about a heaped tablespoon of Jaggery, which is palm sugar. And then we'll just add salt to taste. I'm just going to stir the dal, and then we're just going to let it boil for about 10 minutes. If you find that it's a little too thick, then you can always add some water to make it a bit watery. Okay, so the dal has been boiling for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to remove it off the stove while we make the vinegar, and then we'll put it back on the stove after that. Okay, so I've got a pan on the stove, a small one. I'm going to add some oil, just enough to fry the vinegar. Okay, when the oil is hot, we're going to add a pinch of Asafoetida, some mustard seeds, some Jeera seeds, our dry red chili, and our curry leaves. So once this becomes fragrant, we're going to remove it off the stove because we don't want it to burn, and then we're going to add it into the pot of dal. Okay, so we have the dal on the boil again. I'm going to add the lemon juice now. The reason why we didn't add the lemon juice with all the masala is because if you boil it too much, it becomes bitter. So we want the sweet and sour Gujarati dal flavor. Okay, so we've simmered the dal for about 10 minutes. We're just going to add some dhania and then we are ready to serve.